Well, hi there. I'm Kristen, and I'm with One Focus Property Management. And today we're taking a tour of 515 Allegheny Street, apartment rear in Jersey Shore, Pennsylvania. This is a crispy, clean, and modern 3-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom duplex home. You have your main living on the first floor, and then you have your bedrooms and an additional bathroom on the second floor. I'm going to walk you through, show you all the great things about this place. And after I do that, you're going to want to stick around because I'm going to tell you how to get that application in so you can call this place home. So let's get started. So because we're in the rear apartment, we are starting at the back of the building. I just want to showcase the yard here. Now that trailer will not live here always, but there is parking you can see just in the grass off the alley back there. And you have a fantastic porch here. And I am actually going to just pop my head around the corner here. And then you also have a nice shared porch there that comes in from the very front of the property. Now we're going to come right in these beautiful sliding glass doors. You see you can lock those easily. Gives you a nice view of the backyard. I love it out here. You got those ball fields over there, the school. It is such a nice little area that feels a little off the beaten path. Now here is your main living space. This is your kitchen, your living room, and your dining room. You'll have to be creative with your spaces, but you could certainly make this work. Let's just start off with the fact that they have jam-packed these beautiful modern cabinets and tons of them in here. Love the hardware on there. It really gives that little extra touch. And can we talk about this white microwave? It is literally so cute. We're going to turn around here and I could certainly see like a dining room table and chair set. So like right over here, and then right over here, you can do your couch and then do your TV over here. And you have yourself set up for a really, really nice main living area that's all open to everything. You also have a closet here. It's got a hang bar and a shelf. And then you have your half bathroom with the included washer and dryer. Can we say huzzah to that? Because it's amazing. I love that they added that little extra rack for storage up there. This closet right here would make a really good closet to just kind of hang on to any like little extra things that you need to keep in your bathroom. Now let's take it upstairs because we've got to see the bathroom. Notable item, this is a wide staircase. So getting furniture up and down is not going to be an issue. It's like almost double the width of a normal staircase. So when we come upstairs, we are going to come into the largest of the 3 bedrooms here. This will certainly accommodate a king size bed. Your ceiling fan there. And then you have just a nice standard size closet with hang bar and a shelf. Across the hall, you have a smaller bedroom. This would probably be suitable for up to a twin size bed. Now creativity, that's very easy for people to, move things around differently. But if you want to have some extra floor space, I would say twin. But you do have a nice size closet with a hang bar and a shelf. The last bedroom is long and narrow. I would say probably go with a smaller bed only because it is a little bit on the narrow side. This would also, both of these smaller rooms, if you didn't need them, would make great recreational use rooms for like crafting, maybe like a little library room. You could do an office. There's definitely a lot of things that you could do with it, but not for nothing. Some creativity in here. You could do twin bunk beds or something like that. That would also work. And then last but not least, we have the full bathroom. You have your vanity over here for storage. And then when we turn around, you have this beautiful bathtub, a nice tall shower head. So nobody's crouching under there like a little hobbit. And then you also have your toilet facility and a nice little cabinet up there for some extra storage. Do you love it or what? Because this place is pretty fabulous. So what you need to do to call this home is you need to go to our website at www.onefocuspm.com. You're going to look at the listing to be able to find all the information about the property. You're going to be able to book your tour, and you will even be able to get that application in. If you'd like to talk to somebody from the office, give us a call. It's 570-505-3347. At One Focus Property Management, we pride ourselves in helping people just like you find that next place that they're calling home. So check out the website or give us a call today, because we are anxious to help you make this your home.